Hi, I'm Ken Ravago once again with the Ravago Group at RE/MAX, and today I wanted to give you a quick update on the last legislative session, particularly Assembly Bill 223, which was a housing-related bill that was recently vetoed by Governor Joe Lombardo. AB 223 was originally introduced to expand tenant protections and clarifies responsibilities for housing providers in areas related to habitability and lease terms. So here's a quick 6-point summary of what the bill proposed. Number one, verified habitability complaints. So tenants would have been able to file habitability complaints in court during eviction proceedings. Number two, expanded habitability definitions. So this bill proposed that expanding what qualifies as a habitability issue to include things like faulty window locks, door locks, pest presence, damaged window screens are just some examples. Number three, it removed the rent deposit requirement, so tenants would no longer be required to deposit withheld rent into court while raising a habitability defense. Number four, early lease termination rights. Tenants could end leases without penalty if habitability concerns weren't addressed quickly. Number five, triple damages for essential service failures. Landlords could have faced damages up to 3 times the monthly rent if essential services weren't maintained. For example, hot water, AC, and obviously in the summertime, and heat in the wintertime. And number six, all leases would require detailed written disclosures, and if the consumer requested a written payment receipt. So, supporters of the bill viewed this as a step towards stronger tenant protections. On the other side, opponents expressed concern of how the bill might impact our current housing supply, the costs, and the ability to address unverified claims. So after all this, in the end, Governor Lombardo vetoed the bill, meaning it will not become law at this time. So no immediate changes will take effect from AB 223, but it's important to stay informed as similar proposals may be introduced in future sessions. If you have any questions about AB 223, please leave a comment down below, send us a message, or property management in general, please use us as a resource. Thank you very much.